how to add the gallery, images, and stories widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold on an empty spot. Next, we go down and tap on widgets. After that, scroll down, then tap on gallery. Next, select a widget size and then drag it to your home screen like this and let go. Here, there will be a pop-up. It will say that you need to select allow limited access, allow all, or don't allow. So select an option that you would like to use. If you want to allow all, select allow all so that the gallery can access all your photos. In here, it says get started. So just tap on it and then select album or select images. Here I can select my camera album and then tap on done. You're also allowed to select multiple albums. So if you have a lot of albums that you want to select, you can do so. Then tap on done. And that's it. Your widget will periodically rotate to different images. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.